Hi guys, in today's video I will be recreating this makeup look of Maddy from Euphoria season 2 episode 1. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. To start with skin prep, I'm using Pixi Beauty Rose Radiance Perfector. This product gives a beautiful glow to the skin as you can see, and it also moisturizes the skin and makes it look very dewy. And after that I'm going to do my brows, and now for this look Maddy has very thin brows, so I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas with a brow powder and an angled brush. By the way, the brushes and all the products will be linked in the description box, so in case you want to check that out. Now I'm using Oriflame brow gel to set the hair in place. Now for the eye makeup, I'm going to start with creating an even base. For that, I'm using my Maybelline Fit concealer in shade light and blending it for an even base. I will also carve my eyebrows using the same concealer and a flat small brush. Now to set the concealer, I will use Mars Compact Powder. This powder is an amazing product in the affordable category. It has pigment, so it can be used wherever you need correction and set the makeup effectively. I absolutely would recommend it if you are looking for an affordable compact for everyday use. Now using the shade Cocoa and Suede from Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, on a fluffy brush I will blend it in and over the crease area. I am increasing the intensity gradually by adding more shadow. I switched to a more precise pencil brush to create more depth with the same color. For the lids, I will be using the shade Supermoon from Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I have dampened my brush with MAC Fix Plus to increase the intensity of the shadow, and I'm using Europe Girl brush number 20 and placing the product just on the lid area as you guys can see and dragging it towards the outer corner. Maddy's eye look has more silver and more shine to it, so I'm going to add some loose glitter and I'm using my fingers and pressing it on my lids. Moving on to wing liner, I literally used 3 liners to achieve it, but you definitely don't have to use 3 liners. You can do it with just 1. I'm using first Mars Cosmetics liner and creating a wing, and then I'll fill it up. Mars Cosmetics liner was not going so smooth on the glitter, so I switched to Faces Canada Ultime liner. And then I realized even that wasn't doing justice, so I went in with my all-time favorite Lakmé eyeliner, and this kind of saved my look. It's a liquid liner and the brush is very precise and it's great for beginners. The only drawback is it is not waterproof. Now using a kohl, I'm tightlining my upper waterline using Faces Canada kohl. It's a jet black kohl and it does not smudge on my eyes. Now curling my lashes because my lashes are naturally very straight, so curling them helps them merge with the false lashes, which I'm going to add later on. Moving on and using Mars Cosmetics mascara. Now I realized I have used a lot of Mars products today and honestly I'm reaching out for them a lot these days. Coating all the lashes with mascara and then moving on to my face finally. I'm using Eba waterproof foundation. It is in the shade Pure Ivory and it's a full coverage foundation, and Maddy's makeup is always so full coverage, so I am using this one and I'm blending it using a dense dome shaped brush from again Europe Girl. As I said, I will be leaving all the links to everything in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And now for concealer, I'm using Eba Must Have concealer in the shade Light and I'm placing it under my eyes and towards the outer lip. As you guys can see, this is to highlight the center of my applying Suede and Black from Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette on my lower lash line, and also adding some kohl on the waterline, adding these beautiful lashes from Proarte called Glamify. It's a natural pair of lashes which add enough drama and completes the eye look. And now, of course, not to forget blush. I'm using MAC powder blush in Melba, and this one is a beautiful blush that I'm applying just over my contour. And then using a brown pencil from Kiro Beauty, I'm going to use it as my lip pencil because I really love this shade. And then I'm just going to line my lips with it and then fill it up using Nude Mocha shade from Kiro. And the shade is a very pretty peachy nude shade which I'm going to use to fill my lips in, and I'm also going to blend them using a brush so that there are no harsh lines on the lips. So make sure you blend both the lip liner and lipstick together. To add some more glow to my face, I'm going to use my favorite MAC Soft and Gentle Skin Mineralizing Powder, and this has a very champagne kind of undertone which adds enough glow to your face and makes you look very naturally dewy. And lastly, I'm going to add some lip gloss, and I'm using MAC lip gloss for that, and I'm only going to add it on the center of my lips. And with this, we are done with this look. I hope you guys like this look and try to recreate it watching this video. And if you do, don't forget to tag me or send me pictures. I would love to see them. And yeah, with this, we are done with this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and share, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.